Hello everyone, this is Gary Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about 10 steps to manifesting love with a specific person using the law of attraction. So if you like the video related to manifestation power, I would like to request you all please to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon or give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin, let's go. 10 steps of manifesting love with a specific person using the law of attraction. Do you sometimes have the feeling that everyone around you has found their perfect partner and figured out how relationships work? Do you have the feeling that your wishes are constantly being ignored by the universe and that you will never succeed in manifesting real love? I understand you because I was once you. I used to believe that I was doomed and I would never find the one who was right for me. Then I stumbled upon something called His Secret Obsession. I was skeptical at first, but let me tell you something. It changed my life. If you decide to try it out, I know you won't regret it. It got me where I am now, finally with someone I know I can trust to love me forever. I thought that my destiny was to go from relationship to relationship, getting hurt and disappointed on repeat. And now I understand that it is not true at all. Like many of you out there, I was very pessimistic regarding my love life because when you get disappointed once, twice, or more, it is hard to stay positive and believe that everything will come into place. That is the biggest mistake you could ever make when it comes to manifesting love that is real, true, and everything you have ever wanted. If you focus only on negative, you will block your wishes from getting heard and coming to realization. You attract the things your mind is focused on. This is the most important thing you need to memorize now and never forget if you want to have a prosperous love life. You attract what your mind is focused on. After repeatedly being disappointed in a relationship, you tend to redirect your thought to everything negative you have noticed about them. You consistently think about what you do not want in your future partner or a relationship while expecting the universe to send you the love of your life. Do you recognize the absurdity of this statement? You get surprised when you get exactly what you didn't want and you don't know that you attracted everything negative, which you didn't want, because that was the only thing you focused your mind on. So if you want to manifest love with a specific person using the law of attraction, you need to change your entire mindset and focus only on things you do want. For example, you want to attract a guy who will be caring, loving, good with children, who will know how to cook, etc. How will you attract him? You will attract him by thinking about all of these positive traits mentioned and nothing else. You will only think about the positive and what you really want to attract, and that's how you will succeed. You can have all those things you desire. The most important thing is to believe and be patient. You need to believe that the universe will bring you everything you focus your mind on, because that is the only way to making things go in your favor. And you need to stay patient and not let yourself think that you have forgotten and will never attract the love of your life. You can attract any man you want if you learn to be the woman men adore. Get the guide on that link and I promise no man will ever refuse you. You will succeed in manifesting love with your dream person. You will have all those things you desire and even more, and it's really that easy. Now the 10 steps to manifesting love with a specific person using law of attraction. The first one: direct all your energy to what you do want instead of what you don't. If you want to improve things, you need to be in charge of your mind. You need to delete every single mistake thought that has been occupying your mind. Delete your past along with your past mistake to prevent them from sabotaging your pursuit of happiness. Remember that your thoughts are your number one friend and enemy at the same time. Your thoughts transform into energy, and what type of energy you send to the universe, the same will come back to you. It works like a boomerang. So what you need to do is focus on your deepest cravings and desire instead of on your fears and negative things that you are appalled by. If you fear being cheated on again, and if you keep thinking about it, chances are that you will be cheated on again. Just forget about everything that could somehow influence your real wishes and your hope of achieving them. The second part: become the person you want to attract. One of the biggest misconceptions is that you simply keep living your life as you used to, hoping and waiting for a change to happen. While this is practically true, you need to also understand that you need to become the person you want to attract. If you want to attract a specific person, only to fill your gap in order to become whole. You won't succeed in it. You will never succeed in manifesting love with a specific person if you yourself are not what you expect from others. If you have been hurt, start from scratch. Find some new hobbies, discover yourself again, and recharge your spirit, and only then will you be able to continue. Don't wait for someone to be your light at the end of the tunnel, because that's not how things work. If you only wait without working on yourself, you will never get to receive what you have been thinking of all this time. Become the person you want to attract. Become the change yourself, and the universe will recognize it and reward you with everything you have ever wanted and even more. Third part, be clear about the type of relationship you want and the partner you want to be with. Being clear about the type of relationship and partner you want to attract is of the utmost importance. Do you want a relationship where you will be open with each other and you won't feel saying what you really mean and what from each other? Do you want a relationship built on the foundation of mutual respect and appreciation? Do you want a relationship that will flourish like a beautiful flower and never wither? Then say it out loud. Write it down if needed, and most importantly, believe in it. Don't be ashamed to ask for what you want, because we are all different. Not everyone wants the same as you, and that is perfectly okay, because we are supposed to have different goals and dreams so that we can differentiate from each other, so that we can proudly wear the label of being called unique. So if you want a partner who will be open, devoted to you, and who will love you no matter what, believe that you deserve it, because you do. Don't think that your expectation is something that cannot be fulfilled, because it doesn't exist. It does, but you just have to wait a little bit longer to realize it. Now, the fourth part, focus on the feeling of the end result. After becoming clear about your expectation and the type of relationship you earn for, the next step is to focus on the feeling of the end result. Now, what does this mean? It means you need to pretend, yes, pretend that you already have all of what you expect to receive. I know it sounds stupid, but that's just how things work. If you want to see the change, you need to become that change. The best way to accomplish this is to meditate on a daily basis and indulge in the feeling of imagining that you are with that specific person you have always wanted to be with. Imagine that you already are in a relationship that is custom made by your standard, and think about how it makes you feel. How do you feel when you imagine that all of these things that will happen in the future are happening now? Do you feel happy, blessed, excited about it? There is no wrong emotion. Just dive into your deepest thought and feeling and let them sink in. Let them devour you. And while you are doing so, imagine that it is nothing but the truth that is waiting for you. Fifth part, block your limiting belief. If you have been trying hard to do everything step by step as written, and you are still fighting your demons called limiting belief, you need to block them, and this is how you will do it. In case you are wondering what limiting beliefs actually are, they are negative beliefs that are preventing you from thinking positively and concentrating on the final goal. For example, a limiting belief would be thinking, I won't succeed in manifesting love with that specific person because of this or that, or I don't believe that I deserve it, because stop doing that. I know it's hard to stop doing it, but I still needed to write it. The solution to your problem lies in writing down of all of these beliefs that are preventing you from reaching your goal and changing them into reaffirmation. The reaffirmation would sound like, I will succeed in manifesting love with that specific person and nothing will stop me. After you have written it down, read it every day a few times to convert all of the negative belief into positive. If you keep being persistent, you will see how things will change rapidly without you even noticing it. The sixth part, learn to love yourself. Yes, in order to get ready to experience the power of the law of attraction, you need to learn to love yourself first. If you didn't yet, hatred, ambivalence, being cruel to yourself, or underestimating yourself all belong to negative emotion, which are your biggest enemy when it comes to attracting love. Learning to love yourself is of crucial importance, and you should not take it for granted. If you're having difficulties with it, write down everything that bothers you about yourself and try recalling past events that could have influenced such as outcome. Your problem, past, and the things around you don't determine who you are. Understand the core of your problem, if there are any, and understand that they don't determine you. You are not your past or something that other people said about you. You are you, and you should love yourself no matter what. The feeling of love is on the highest vibrational wavelength, and the more you love yourself, the easier you will attract things you want. It's as simple as that. So think about the level of your self love, and if you are not that satisfied, work on it, and I assure you that great things will happen. Seventh part, let the universe know you are ready to get your wishes fulfilled. So, the next step is letting the universe know that you are ready for the grand opening for receiving greatness. In order to do so, you need to believe that you are, and to believe that you are, write down on a sheet of paper or simply repeat the following words: My heart is open and I'm ready to receive greatness. The most important thing is to say it like you really mean it, and the universe will recognize it as well. You see, if you are not ready to yet to get your wishes fulfilled, you will know it yourself because your gut will tell you that there's something wrong when you say the above sentence. If you are not ready yet, you will feel it. You will feel like these words are not coming naturally to you, as if that happens, do not worry. It just means that you need more time to work on yourself and on daily affirmation in order to reach the level of being open to greatness. Look at this way. Receiving what you want means you need to also give something to yourself in order to deserve it, and the best gift you can give to yourself and others is becoming the best version of yourself. And that's exactly what the universe is expecting you to do. The eighth part, engage in daily affirmation. Engage in daily affirmation is something that will help you create a stronger bond and belief of your own thought with what you desire. To manifest love with the specific person, you need to understand the importance of engaging in daily affirmation. While you are at your job, at home, at the gym, or with your friend, cooking lunch or similar, repeat the following words: I am searching for love and my soulmate is on his way to me. Or I am looking for unconditional love and the universe has sent it to me. And then repeat it again. If you believe it with all of your heart and mind, it will happen. Daily affirmations serve as a middleman between you and your wishes and the universe. If you believe that it is on its way to be delivered to you, it will be. It's as simple as that. Also, try repeating these sentences every day at the same exact time to speed up the whole process. When you do it every day at the same time, you do it in a more quality way because it creates a stronger, indestructible energy force. Ninth part, engage in visualization session by including all of your senses. Just as focusing on the end result is important, engaging in visualization session on a daily basis is also something you should pay special attention to. How will you do it? The best way to do is to include all of your senses into it. See what you would want to see, hear what you would want to hear, touch what you would want to touch, and so on. If you want to attract that specific person you're crazy about, imagine that is sitting next to you. Imagine you two having a conversation and hear exactly what you would want, like it's real and it's happening now. Imagine the person wearing an exact outfit devised by your senses and focus on how these things make you feel. Visualizing session are like mini clips that you make in order to make it easier for yourself to live your dream. Yes, you need to live your dream in order to start living it. Sounds a little bit confusing, but I'm sure you will get the point. 10. Last not least, relax and believe that you will succeed. Relax and believe. These two words are something you should write on your forehead if needed because they are the hardest of them all. I know how hard it is to relax when your mind is confused about things. I know how hard it is to believe that you will succeed when you cannot get confirmation from anyone. But I can tell you one thing, if you relax and believe that you will succeed, you will, just as I did. As if somehow you don't succeed in manifesting love with that specific person of yours, do not be disappointed. Believe that the universe wants to protect you. Sometimes the universe doesn't fulfill your wishes just because your wishes are not good for you. That person you are desperately trying to attract is simply not right for you, at least in this time period, and you should not be disappointed about it. On the contrary, you should be happy because you have just saved yourself from a possible heartbreak in the future. Always look on the bright side. If you have done everything in your power to make it come true and somehow it didn't, know that it will, and there's a higher reason why it didn't at this very time. So that's all about the manifestation in this video. I hope you all liked it. For all of you, I prepared a small presentation that will be going to share in the description box below. You can check it out from there. So that's all. This is Carrie Anderson signing off. We will definitely meet in the next video with my other content. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye and take care.